Welcome to Ontario, the heart of Canada's real estate market. If you're purchasing your first home or investing, it's vital to understand the process. Here are some crucial steps to simplify your journey. Start by evaluating your finances. Determine what you can afford, including your potential down payment. Crucial step in the process is getting pre-approved for a mortgage. This not only gives you a budget, but also accelerates your search. Get pre-approved for a mortgage to streamline your search. Next, understand the market. Ontario's diverse regions present distinct prospects and obstacles. Dig into the real estate landscape. Analyze the highs, lows, and constants. Familiarize yourself with legalities. Tap into valuable resources like the Ontario Real Estate Association for data and insights to gain a competitive edge. Research, strategize, and then thrive. Finding a reputable real estate agent is a game changer. They offer key guidance, expert knowledge, and unparalleled into the local market scene. By leveraging their expertise, you gain an edge in negotiations. They help you navigate through the complex processes and legalities. To connect with such professionals, utilize platforms like Realtor.ca to find an experienced agent. Consider the location and type of home that best suits your lifestyle. Whether you're an urban dweller or a suburbanite, Ontario is the place for you. Vibrant cities cater to the modern, fast-paced lifestyle, while its tranquil suburbs offer a peaceful respite. But choosing a location isn't everything. The home you select should be in good condition. To assure this, a thorough professional inspection is necessary. This can unearth potential problems, averting future trouble. And remember, the condition of your future home matters. A professional inspection can uncover potential issues, saving you from future headaches. By following these steps and leveraging resources like the Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation, you're well on your way to securing your dream home in Ontario. This exciting journey may seem daunting, but don't worry. With the information we've shared and the guidance from respected institutions like the CMHC, you're equipped to navigate the housing market successfully. Each step you take brings you closer to your dream home. So step forward with confidence, make informed decisions, and embrace the adventure. Welcome home to Ontario.